Okay, because it's survived 10 years with basically next to no water, and there's such a nice matching pair at the front entrance, I'd hate to lose one. So if I pretty much neglect them, they might be alright over summer.
Just feeding calves and playing with the calves. When he was on the three-wheeler, he used to ride the motorbike by himself.
Couldn't get water then. Might treat this a little bit faster.
Just working up land and just seeing improving the place, what it does. Trimming paddocks, making the place look good. Yeah. That's what you're thinking. So you've got to employ someone to milk where you go on holidays. So it costs you to go away as well as paying for your holiday.
Okay, because it's survived 10 years with basically next to no water, and there's such a nice matching pair at the front entrance, I'd hate to lose one. So if I pretty much neglect them, they might be alright over summer.
Tractor drivers.
Tractor driving.
Yeah, lovely tractor driver. It's instant and it makes the improvement.
And what don't you like about the job?
Milking cows.
Because you couldn't get water then. Might treat this a little bit faster.
40 years, it gets a bit monotonous now. Since the drought, things got different. I milk all year round now. Farmers went, just sold up everything, all their cows and everything, and just let the farmers not do nothing with it. You had no water to water it, so. Those farms are just sitting there doing nothing now.
And how did you get through that time?
Not very good. I did 100,000 the first year. You had to learn to improve, do things different. The first year of the drought wasn't just the drought, but the price of milk. It was the lowest record price we've ever had, and it all hit at once. Commission keeps changing the rules of what you can do with the water these days, so you never know from one year to the next whether you can buy water or what you can do.
Pretty much neglect them, they might be alright over summer.
Even through the drought, I was lasering land and improving it. That, building a house and things like that was.
Might treat this a little bit faster.
Yeah, just improving it and getting it better, easier to water and manage. That's what we're thinking. thinking.